Hello everyone, I am Nikola M. Cagape. Here are some tips for prevention of coronavirus transmission. If you guys don't know corona or are living in a rock, then coronavirus or COVID-19 affects different people in different ways, like not wearing a mask. Most people affected will develop mild to moderate illness and recover without hospitalization. Most common symptoms are fever, dry cough, and tiredness. Less common symptoms are aches and pains, sore throat, diarrhea, and more. Well, okay, so here are my tips. Tip number 1. Do not go out without a mask and face shield. Those are the things that can protect you. Tip number 2. Stay 6 feet apart from people, even your friends. You don't want to be infected, do you? Tip number 3. Wash your hand before and after touching anything. Tip number 4. Avoid touching your face. Tip number 5. Stay home when you feel unwell. Looks like I'm staying home. And the last and most important tip, get doctor's advice and follow them. Well then, that's all for today. Remember these 6 tips. Stay safe everyone!